Imagine you have applied for dozens of jobs, carefully crafting your resumes, creating strong cover letters, and tailoring your experience to fit the role. Days blends into weeks, but your inbox remains void. No callbacks, no interviews, no mails, nothing. You start questioning yourself. Am I not good enough? Or did I commit a mistake in my application? So you will have had myriad thoughts. On flip side of the hiring process, a recruiter sits at their desk and trying to get the right talent. Their inbox is flooded with n number of applications. Instead of reviewing them one by one, an AI-powered system does the work. In seconds, hundreds of applications are filtered out. Some don't match the right keywords, others don't fit into the ideal profile, and just like that, many qualified candidates never even get a chance. I'm going to unpack this for you, how AI is shaping recruitment, what job seekers and recruiters need to do, and how negotiation strategies can help you take control in this AI-driven hiring world. Let's get started in this. It may sound like a cliche. AI is truly transforming the way we live and work. The juxtaposition of AI's role in recruitment and the common challenges it faces in hiring highlights both its potential and limitations in transforming the hiring process. AI scans resumes, shortlisting the candidates, and even conducts video interviews using facial and voice analysis. Algorithms predict candidate success based on past data, but they can't fully have an access like human potential, creativity, or emotional intelligence. Many candidates are defenestrated because their resume lacks keywords AI is looking for. AI learns from historical data, which can reinforce hiring biases if not monitored properly. AI can misinterpret soft skills, communication skills, and even cultural fit. Here is an example. Imagine that you have applied for data engineer role. AI scans thousands of resumes within seconds, eliminating the candidates who don't match the specific keywords like ETL pipelines or cloud platforms. Even if you are a skilled candidate, and AI may reject you unfairly if your resume lacks these keywords. So please check it. Whereupon, how do you outsmart AI and prove your true value in the hiring process? So here is where holistic intelligence comes in. AI gives immense power to organizations to create scalable solutions. However, this kind of power comes with great responsibility. Today's AI has evolved enough to understand and shape many aspects of people's lives. We all know that AI apps are conversing with people, chatbots are seamlessly serving customers, and deep learning models are even scanning images to detect cancer. One of the main concerns of AI today is it may surpass our own intelligence. So, this could have far-reaching implications for how we approach AI. Let's understand and walk through the prominence of holistic intelligence. It means using mind, emotions, social skills, personal values together to make decisions better and live a balanced life. It's not just about being smart, but also deciphering emotions, handling social situations, and also having a sense of purpose. It helps in better judgment, building strong relationships, fostering personal growth, and becoming more resourceful in challenging situations. To put this into perspective, why this holistic intelligence matters more than ever. This holistic intelligence collides of IQ, EQ, and AQ. Here, IQ refers to technical skills, problem solving, and expertise. EQ stands for emotions, which means collaborating with your peers, communication skills, and adaptability. AQ is also stands for adaptability. Here, how quickly you acclimate into the situations, having finger on the pulse, and responding to the latest trends. I'll give a small example on this. Why this holistic intelligence matters more than ever. Google's Project Oxygen was a research initiative by Google's People Analytics team to identify what makes a great manager. Earlier, Google used to believe that technical expertise would be the most important factor, but later, their data revealed something surprising. which is empathy, understanding team needs and concerns, adaptability, adjusting to new changes and challenges, collaboration, and communication, effectively how you're working in teams, coaching and mentoring, helping others to grow, and emotional intelligence, handling conflict in workplaces and relationships. How can you apply this? First, job seekers. Highlight these soft skills in your resumes and interviews. Instead of just listing tech skills, expound your communication skills, problem solving skills, and let them know how you can work with the teams. Now, recruiters, look beyond AA screened resumes. A technically perfect candidate may fail in teamwork or adaptability, while someone with strong people skills can learn tech faster. So, recruiters, focus on these skills. Like I said, Google's Project Oxygen found that best employees ain't just technically skilled. They have empathy, leadership, adaptability, communication skills, and so on. AI struggles to access these. The best recruiters blend AI's speed with human intuition. Job seekers, how to beat AI at its own game. You might feel low and powerless. AI decides who will be on board, like who moves forward, who disappears into void. But here is the truth, you can negotiate with AI just differently in simple 3 steps. First one, everything is negotiable, even AI driven hiring. Negotiation is not all about discussing salaries, it's also about influencing decisions. Here, AI is programmed to look for the patterns. Now, your job is to break the pattern in your favor. How you do? Hack AI filters. That means use strategic keywords in your resume. Don't make it too robotic. Craft your application as per the job description. Leverage LinkedIn and personal branding. AI can't ignore a strong online presence. Keep engaging with recruiters and thought leaders. Act smartly. Don't just send hundreds of applications blindly. Make sure quality than quantity and customize each one. Step 2, the power of perception. Control how AI and recruiters see you. Negotiation is also about perception. The way you present yourself shapes how others see you. Use storytelling. Don't just list up the skills. Use real time, real world examples like what you have done in your past organization. For instance, how you handle conflicts better. Showcase your adaptability. AA actually values experience, recruiter values potential. So, highlight how you learned in your past experiences and grew in your past roles. Engage beyond resumes. AI doesn't scan your networking conversations. So, message to recruiters directly, comment on industry discussions, and build up your connections genuinely. In this AI driven hiring, your online footprint is your real resume. Last but not the least, step 3, patience and persistence. The art of smart job searching. Patience is powerful. The one who stays calm and strategic wins. Know your value beyond AI metrics. AI generated salary predictions don't consider your leadership skills, soft skills, and adaptability. Research market rates, but also highlight your skills, what brings to the company's culture. Use this strategic communication for better improvement. Instead of asking, I need a higher salary, you could say this. Based on my experience in X and ability to drive in Y, I believe a package of Z is more aligned with role's impact. Think beyond salary. AI may not consider benefits like leadership training, work flexibility, and learning opportunities. You can negotiate for those because AI doesn't. Don't just accept rejection. If you get rejected, ask for the feedback. Either you will get any other chance or learn for your next application. Job hunting is a negotiation, it's not only just an application process. In consequence, AI with human intelligence is the best hiring strategy. So, where does this leave us? AI is transforming in recruitment, but it's not perfect. The recruiters must combine AI with human judgment. Job seekers, you must think like negotiators because AI driven hiring is not just applying but about positioning yourself strategically. It's you choosing how to navigate AI. What's your biggest challenge with AI in recruitment? Comment below. Let's discuss. If you found this video helpful, please share this to your friends and connections and follow our channel for more insights. I'm Anusha Venugopal. Thanks for watching.